Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Here, we are going to show you how can you view and export IceWarp mailbox to text file format in some clicks. It is going to be easier than you think. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 IceWarp Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. First, we will learn the simplest way to view IceWarp files and then move on to export IceWarp mailbox to text format. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Open IceWarp Configured Account if you have IceWarp application running on your machine. Otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload IceWarp emails. Select Open IceWarp Configured Account. Wait, the software is analyzing the IceWarp folders. The tool lists all the IceWarp mailboxes in the software interface. Here, click on the IceWarp mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the IceWarp folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the IceWarp email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. This famous application also allows you to save IceWarp folder into multiple saving options. The utility provides separate export and extract option, as you can see in the software window. So, let's click on the Export tab and select Text to export IceWarp files into text format. Now, please select the desired IceWarp mailbox, and deselect the rest folders. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are multiple options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. After all, click on the Save tab to start the process. You can see the live exporting process from IceWarp to text files in the software panel. After some time, a message appears on your screen declaring that the IceWarp to text files export process is completed successfully. The demo edition of the software allows you to export only 10 items from IceWarp folder to text format. It's time to check the final results. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, the IceWarp files are completely exported into text format. That's all for this video. We hope you get a good understanding on how to view and export IceWarp files to text format. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.